Welcome to Commerce Academy. In previous lectures, we discussed cost of goods manufactured statement, cost of goods sold statement, and under and our applied factory overhead. So today I am going to discuss format of income statement. So today lecture is very important. If you understand the format of income, you can make the income statement of any question. So today lecture attend with full attention. So now I am going to start my lecture. So format of income statement. First you mention the name of business, then mention the name of statement. We make income statement, so mention income statement. For year ended on, mention the date. And description, in that column you mention the name of accounts and here mention amounts. So first sales. We assume some figure, discuss format with some assume figure. So sales is our 4,57,000 less sales return sale discount amount is 2,000, amount is 3,000. That less, so 4 52,000. That is our net sale. Net sale, minus sales return and sale discount. So we find sales, net sale. So less cost of goods sold. So assume cost of goods sold value is our 4 lakh. So compare which value is greater. Sale value is 4,52,000 and our cost of goods sold is 4 lakh. So our revenue is greater than our expense. So here our profit is 52,000. That is our gross profit. Gross profit. If the cost of goods sold is greater than sales, then our gross loss. So now our gross profit. So next step, we operating expense. Operating expense divided into two categories: selling expense and administrative expense. So selling expense, first one. Selling expense include sales, salary, advertisement, commission, discount allowed, discount payable, that is our selling expense. Sales will be like 15, advertisement expense 2000, commission 15, discount 1000. So the value of expense is 6000. So next, administrative expense. Administrative interest paid, admin office salary, office salary. So amount is interest paid, our amount is 4000, and office salary amount is 3000. So amount is, yeah, the total operate selling and admin expense amount is 30,000. So our selling and administrative expense are less than gross profit. So we less operating expense from gross profit. So our remaining amount is 39,000. That is our net profit. Net profit. Because first our sales is greater than cost of goods sold is our gross profit. So next our operating expense include selling and administrative expense. That amount is less than from the gross profit. So our net profit is 39,000. If the operating expense is greater than gross profit, so then our net loss. If here net gross loss, then operating expense add in gross loss. So I mentioned here is gross loss. Operating. Then operating, if gross loss, then operating expense add in gross loss, and gross profit profit then less operating expense. So if our sale is greater than cost of goods sold, then it's our gross profit. If cost of goods sold is greater than our sale, then it's gross loss. If operating expense is greater than gross profit, then it's net loss. If gross profit is greater than operating expense, so it's our net profit. So here gross profit is greater than our operating expense, so our it's net profit. So this is the format of income statement. You practice it, and if you have any problem, any question, you can be discuss with me. And in next lecture, we'll discuss format of balance sheet. So be prepared and practice this, and we meet in next lecture. Thank you and goodbye.